Leo Prophecy. First 7 days of January. Power reclaimed. The week you remember who you are. Leo, the first 7 days of January are not quiet for you. They are revealing. This week does not ask you to shine. It asks you to remember your power without performing for anyone. You've been strong for others. You've carried responsibility silently. You've smiled through pressure. But now the universe leans close and asks, who are you when no one is watching? Stay until the end, because the final day delivers a decision that restores your authority for the entire year. Day 1-2, energy drains are exposed. The first 2 days arrive with clarity, not comfort. You may notice fatigue despite rest, irritation with people you once tolerated, a desire to pull back instead of lead. This is not laziness. This is your spirit rejecting imbalance. Something or someone has been taking more than they give. And Leo, your fire was never meant to burn for free. Pay attention to what exhausts you. That is the first thing the universe wants corrected. Day 3, a moment of truth. Day 3 delivers a truth that hits your pride but frees your soul. This may come through a realization about loyalty, a conversation that shifts how you see someone, a sudden awareness of where you've been overextending. This day asks you to answer one question honestly. Am I respected or just relied on? Your answer changes how you move forward. Day 4-5, confidence returns quietly. By days 4 and 5, Leo, your energy stabilizes. But this confidence feels different. It's not loud. It's not performative. It's rooted. You may feel less need to explain yourself, less tolerance for disrespect, a stronger sense of self. This is leadership energy returning from within. Do not rush to announce your plans. Power grows best in silence. Day 6, the power shift. Day 6 carries a defining moment. You may say no where you once said yes. Choose rest over obligation. Walk away from something that once fed your ego. This is not loss. This is power reclamation. When Leo stops chasing validation, the universe starts aligning opportunities.